In this video, we'll explore the impact of incorporating cinnamon tea into your daily routine. Brace yourself for a journey into the realm of this extraordinary spice, celebrated for its multifaceted health benefits. But did you know that cinnamon comes in different varieties, and choosing the right one can better yield its effects, spanning from addressing common digestive issues to combating serious neurodegenerative diseases? Stick around until the end for some expert insights and some delightful tips, which will effortlessly integrate cinnamon into your dietary regimen. Take yourself back through the annals of time to epochs when cinnamon held a value that rivaled that of precious gold. For over 4 millennia, civilizations to include the ancient Egyptians prized cinnamon not only for its culinary allure, but also for its medicinal prowess, even incorporating it into their mummification practices. Fascinatingly enough, cinnamon was esteemed in antiquity for its aphrodisiac qualities also, underscoring its already revered status. With its warm, sweet, and spicy aroma, cinnamon derives its essence primarily through its bark, though various other parts, to include the leaves, flowers, fruits, and roots, also boast therapeutic potential. Cinnamon's treasure trove of health benefits stem from its rich array of active compounds and other distinctive properties. Bursting with anti-inflammatory agents, cinnamon not only tantalizes everybody's taste buds, but also offers some soothing relief to our bodies. Furthermore, the abundant polyphenol content that cinnamon has endows it with formidable antioxidant prowess, surpassing even its other spice counterparts in laboratory analyses. We've compiled a small list of compelling reasons to embrace daily cinnamon tea consumption. Cinnamon has a time-honored legacy as a digestive aid, renowned for its ability to kindle appetite, to bolster digestion, and even alleviate gastrointestinal discomforts. With its antispasmodic prowess, cinnamon soothes the digestive tract's smooth muscles, curbing bloating and fostering gastrointestinal ease. Cinnamon is awesome for cardiovascular health, from lowering cholesterol and triglyceride levels to regulating blood pressure and stabilizing blood sugar. Cinnamon emerges as a guardian against cardiovascular diseases, with all of these benefits being fortified by a wealth of scientific evidence. Cinnamon can also help to lower blood sugar levels and reduce the risk of diabetes-related complications, such as cardiovascular diseases, kidney damage, nerve damage, and common eye problems related to diabetes. This is all because cinnamon has anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and antimicrobial properties, all of which help to protect the body from things like oxidative stress, inflammation, and infections. Then there's the benefit of the neurological resilience that cinnamon offers, heralded for its potential in fending off neurodegenerative maladies like Alzheimer's, Parkinson's, and multiple sclerosis. While human trials do remain pending, preliminary findings from laboratory animal studies offer promising insights into cinnamon's neuroprotective prowess. Additionally, there are formidable antibacterial, antiviral, and antifungal properties inherent in cinnamon. From combating infections to thwarting the growth of specific pathogens, cinnamon emerges as a tough defender against respiratory ailments. Chewing on a cinnamon stick releases its essential oils, which fosters oral hygiene by eliminating bacteria and banishing unpleasant breath. So let's talk about the 2 types of cinnamon thing we mentioned earlier. There are 2 main types of cinnamon that are sold in the United States: Ceylon and Cassia. Ceylon, which is also known as the true cinnamon, is the most expensive and rarest type. Cassia, which is commonly referred to as Chinese cinnamon, is the cheaper and therefore much more common type. Both types of these cinnamons do contain the compound called cinnamaldehyde, which is responsible for the majority of cinnamon's health benefits. However, cassia cinnamon also contains a lot of coumarin, which can be harmful in large doses. Coumarin is just a natural substance that can also act as a blood thinner and interfere with blood clotting. It can also cause liver damage and increase the risk of bleeding if taken with certain medications, such as warfarin, aspirin, or ibuprofen. The safe daily limit for human consumption of coumarin is about 1 milligram per kilogram of body weight. So this means that a person weighing 70 kilos or about 155 pounds should not consume more than 7 milligrams of coumarin daily. However, 1 teaspoon of cassia cinnamon can contain up to 8 milligrams of coumarin, which is just a tiny bit above the safe limit. On the other hand, Ceylon cinnamon only offers very trace amounts of coumarin, making it much more safe and more suitable for people with diabetes or liver problems. There are even some therapeutic avenues of cinnamon, spanning from soothing infusions like cinnamon tea to potential essential oils and beyond. Its versatility extends to cosmetic realms, finding its way into creams, ointments, and hair masks, while also serving practical roles as an insect repellent, air freshener, and even a natural solution for combating plant fungi when it comes to gardening. Let's now investigate the big topic, the medicinal repertoire of cinnamon, because it unfolds in multifaceted ways. We recommend starting with the esteemed cinnamon tea, oftentimes curated as a tisane, where the bark undergoes infusion in hot water, yielding a comfortable brew. This elixir can be prepared through infusion or decoction techniques, which are each tailored to different plant parts and preparation methods. Infusions just steep delicate flowers and leaves briefly, while decoctions boil robust roots and bark, sometimes for hours. Supplement forms of cinnamon, such as pills or powder formats, offer a direct route for medicinal intake, necessitating professional guidance or incorporation into your daily nourishment. Capsules containing standardized powders or concentrated dry extracts require adherence to manufacturer instructions. Fluid extracts akin to tinctures present another liquid form, alongside essential oils sourced from either cinnamon bark or cinnamon leaves. For topical applications, you can explore poultices, involving direct application of fresh herb, or pastes that blend cinnamon with complementary agents. Here are some simple instructions to prepare cinnamon tea effectively. You'll need about 1 to 1.5 teaspoons of cinnamon powder, coming out to approximately 2.4 or 2.5 grams, and about 240 or 250 milliliters of boiled water. Combine the powder with the boiled water in a cup, stir thoroughly, and let it steep for about 5 to 10 minutes with the lid on for optimal flavor and nutrient infusion. Enjoy it hot or cold, strained or unstrained, and use additional sweeteners like honey to taste if you prefer. Cinnamon blends seamlessly with green or black tea and pairs well with ginger, cloves, and various herbs. For tougher plant parts like cinnamon bark, a decoction method is ideal. Simply boil some water, throw a cinnamon stick in there, and then simmer partially covered for 10 to 20 minutes to extract its essence fully. Then you just strain and savor the brew hot or cold, elevating the taste with honey or a hint of lemon. If you're aiming to manage blood sugar levels, consider consuming cinnamon tea or infusions during meals, but always consult a healthcare professional before altering dietary habits. Typically, 1 or 2 cups of cinnamon tea daily should suffice, each containing that 250-ish milliliters of water we mentioned before with powdered cinnamon. Stick to using 1 or 1.5 teaspoons per cup, which is equivalent to 2.5 grams. And as per the World Health Organization, we recommend limiting daily intake to 4 grams of cinnamon, divided into 4 doses of half a gram or 1 gram each. An upper range of 2 to 4 grams daily is advisable. Seek guidance from healthcare experts regarding tinctures, fluid extracts, or essential oils of cinnamon for tailored recommendations. Cinnamon is generally safe and well tolerated by most people. However, some people might experience allergic reactions or gastrointestinal problems, such as nausea, diarrhea, or stomach pain. These symptoms are usually mild and resolve independently, but if they do persist or worsen, you should stop taking cinnamon and consult your doctor right away. Cinnamon may also interact with medications that affect blood sugar or blood clotting, such as insulin, sulfonylarius, metformin, warfarin, aspirin, or ibuprofen. Taking cinnamon with these drugs might increase the risk of hypoglycemia, which is low blood sugar, or bleeding. Therefore, if you do take any of these medications, you should monitor your blood sugar levels closely and adjust your dosage according to your doctor's advice. Cinnamon can also have some contraindications for certain groups of people who should avoid or limit the use of cinnamon. These usually include pregnant women or breastfeeding women, children under 18 years old, people with liver disease or bleeding disorders, and people that are scheduled for surgery. Cinnamon has potential to interfere with anesthesia or wound healing in people that are undergoing surgeries. Therefore, if you belong to these groups, you absolutely should consult your doctor before taking cinnamon, or just avoid it altogether. Thanks for watching, and we appreciate your engagement with this video. If you have your own insights to contribute, please share them in the comments below. Remember to give this video a thumbs up and share it with others to spread the knowledge about cinnamon's benefits. If you're new here, consider subscribing to support our channel's growth and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our upcoming content. For even more valuable insights into natural healing and illness prevention, you may find other informative videos appearing here shortly. Feel free to explore them to expand your knowledge even further. Thank you so much for watching, stay well, and we'll see you in the next video.